Introduction to Expenses. Running a business isn't just about sales, it's also about tracking your costs. To manage this, we'll move to the Expense page. This is where you can record everything from office or shop rent and employee salaries to internet and electricity bills. Adding a new expense. To record a cost, simply click the Add Expense button. You'll see a form where you can enter all the vital details. Date and vendor info. Enter the date of the expense along with the vendor name, phone number, and GST. Invoice tracking. You can also add the invoice number and specific purchase item details so you know exactly what was bought. Detailed amount and tax breakdown. When it comes to the amount, the system gives you two flexible options. Example 1. Tax breakdown. If you are claiming input tax credit, you can separate the costs. Enter the bill amount without tax first, then add the specific tax amounts like CGST, SGST, IGST, cess, or service tax. Example 2. Simple entry. If there is no tax involved, or you just want to record the final figure, you can simply enter the whole amount directly into the before tax field. Edit and delete options. Don't worry if you make a mistake or a bill changes. Every expense you add is listed on this page where you have the option to edit the details at any time or delete an entry if it was added by mistake. Why tracking expenses matters. By keeping this page updated, you get a complete picture of your business's health. You'll be able to see exactly where your money is going, making it much easier to calculate your actual net profit at the end of the month.